Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to enable microphone permissions for Facebook on your PC with the latest update. This quick and easy process ensures you can use features like voice calls and audio recordings without any issues. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Look at the top of your browser, next to the web address bar. You'll see a small icon. This is the View Site Information icon. It might look like a padlock or an eye symbol. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, select Site Settings. This will open a new tab or window where you can adjust specific permissions for Facebook. Step 4. Scroll down in the site settings until you find the microphone option under the Permissions section. Once located, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Step 5. From the options available, choose Ask. This setting ensures that Facebook will request your permission each time it needs access to your microphone. And that's it. You've successfully configured your browser to ask for microphone permissions when using Facebook on your PC. Now, whenever you need to use voice features like calls or recordings, you'll have full control over when and how your microphone is accessed. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy seamless communication on Facebook.